Welcome. Dassault Systèmes DELMIA PLM Express solutions provide cutting-edge 3D PLM technology that gives you the competitive advantage to excel at the business of manufacturing. Capitalizing on our extensive digital manufacturing experience, Dassault Systèmes offers DELMIA PLM Express, a dedicated, easy-to-deploy solution designed specifically for small to medium-sized businesses and delivered in 5 role-based solutions tailored to the demands of industry, including robotics, resource planning, ergonomics, controls, and assembly planning. PLM Express role-based solutions include Work Cell Builder for resource designers and planners, Spot Welding and Arc Welding Programmer for your robotics groups, Human Work Analysis and Human Workplace Simulation for your ergonomic professionals, Assembly Simulation for your assembly planning group, and Smart Device Builder and Virtual Commissioning for your controls engineers. Let's take a look at the Assembly Planning and Simulation solution. The Assembly Planning and Simulation solution provides an easy way to author and simulate the sequence of assembly processes. It enables easy annotation on various views of the assembly process. Process can be easily resequenced on PERT chart following design or process changes. Cycle times can be captured on Gantt chart. Automated process documentation can be generated with a single click, and documents can be updated following any changes in the process or the product. With assembly process planning, users can define an assembly process on native V5 data of any multi-CAD data imported into V5. Companies can benefit from automating generation and updating of work instructions. Dassault Systèmes DELMIA PLM Express. Experience the power.